So this is the XAMPP server that we are using for the backend of our PHP and MySQL. This is the front page of a website. So with the first module, urgent mechanic need, it shows up a form and also the location services which we can allow a block so that we can access the user's location. It is a map that is being embedded. The Google Map link has been embedded so that it can access the current location of the user. After submitting the form, it shows the list of available mechanics and we can easily appoint them, and also the price are being given. After that, we can easily go on credit, debit card or cash and delivery options, and the confirmation will be given. Coming on to the general mechanic, it asks for login or sign up before to accessing the services of general mechanic. So we can easily sign up. So it shows that you are being registered successfully. Now we can easily log in with the email and password formed. It also has the option of forgot password and sign up here. Now we are logged into our system. The general mechanic has a small form with a description and it takes all the other personal details from the login form, and we can submit a time and date on which we want to have the mechanic. Now a mechanic is being shown to our web page and we can reject or accept it with all its personal details. It is being shown on web page after submitting. So if we reject, a new mechanic has been shown. And if we accept it, then we again go to our transaction page. Moving on for our automobile parts. So it shows the list of items with the search option. We can add them in the cart. We can increase their frequency. We can delete them from the cart. We can then easily click from order. And it also comes again to the transaction page, making everything very easy. The About Us page has a little details about a Team Phoenix. Contact Us page gives us an idea for drop us a message which has different options within it. Now we can submit a reset. It says form is submitted successfully. Login part, we can also log in from our home page itself. It is the customer reviews being displayed on our website. So this is all about a website. Thank you.